Okay, stocking stuffers. Here's a leather stocking. This is great with real sheepskin. It's really cool. Here's what we have for stocking stuffers. We have an AirPods Pro case and the AirPods case. It's both same one for the new AirPods. Cigar tube here, Vandenberg Saddleback edition Vandenberg cigar tube. I've got the cable wrap set here. I've got these for just wrapping cables. Make a cable taco here, just wraps, different lengths, little ones for all your wires to keep organized. Got the iPhone stand, iPad stand here. Just put your phone on it like that, or your iPad, or your recipes. Got the iPhone case. Got the fire starter kit. This is great. This is really cool, no matter what the age. This is great. It has a bunch of waxed canvas. It's like lights like a candle and stays lit. Those are really cool. And it strikes with flint and all of that. Then we have, that's one you keep in the glove box for just in case your life depends on it. Here's the bear trap pin case. Here is what I use for my passports, for the whole family, and yellow cards. We put them in here. Gets real nice and fat. Put cash in here, sunglasses, pens. It's really cool for organizing. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, this is a good one. I've got these the bear trap coin purse. I keep this thing in my bag. Keep it full of pesos. When we were in Bosnia, I kept it full of coins, and just coins, keep it in the car. This is fantastic, and it's just fun to play with. And then we have these are surprisingly really cool. This is an AirPod case, or an AirTag case, or for guitar picks. Put extra guitar picks in here, medicine, extra cash. You would put an SD card in here, SD cards for photographers. You would put all kinds of different things you could use this for, not just for the AirTags, which are really cool, like 25 bucks, great stocking stuffers. This one goes on your shoulder strap or on your belt. Put some extra cash in there, slide it right in there, and then you just slide this onto put it through your belt, and you can have extra money there. No one knows it's there. Oh my gosh, look what else we have. Most people don't know, but we have a patent on this. Put it in place, slide it back. This slides back and forth in place. This leather sleeve, so it's real nice to write with. And you can just pop this out. It's a copper here. And you can just pop this out here, out of any pin you find laying around, and drop it down in there for a refill. So we have this pin sleeve. What else do we have in here? Okay, we have the pocket Constitution of the United States. Here we go. In leather on tear-proof paper, waterproof, tear-proof. You can put this through the washer and dryer. You're good to go. We have the Constitution. It lays flat once you get it. We have some leather milk. Little 2-ounce bottles, I think they are, of leather milk for a conditioner. Great stocking stuffer. What else do we have in here? Oh yeah, so we've got the Book of John. It's always a good read. The Book of Luke, Book of Mark, and the Book of Matthew. Those are great. And then we have the Book of Proverbs. If you need a little wisdom in your life, this is the one. See, what else do we have in here? Oh yeah. Coaster set. So this is a great little coaster set. Just sits on the table. Comes with 6 coasters. It's leather on leather. A really nice coaster set. What else do we have in here? Okay. Oh, look at her, Mountain Man soap. These are fantastic. One bar that has leather in the bar, ground up. It's kind of scratchy and it's like a whole giant, like this is 4 like bars, and big. There's pipe tobacco, there's pine tar, DCB pine tar, carbon smoke for the black, and the chestnut woods. These are fantastic, and a little soap dock here for you. A friend of mine makes these from Mountain Man Soap Company, and I said, can you make them for Saddleback? He said, sure. These are fantastic. This grizzly man soap. And then we have this one. This is the organizer bag. So you can put a first aid kit in it, your cables, your extra batteries, your chargers, and you just wrap it and just put it under the seat of your car, a little toolkit, whatever you want to put in there. This is cool. Just looking at it, it's one piece of leather. So it just wraps around all of here, comes up here. So the only seams are this little L here and this little L here. Pretty cool. So we use these all the time. You can get 4 different colors of them, and then you can put them in your bag or your camera gear or whatever, and you would know the batteries are in chestnut, the filters are in tobacco, or whatever you wanted to do. So there we go. That's what you can stuff a stocking with.